lovies, an awesome day to you. Welcome back to my channel. And Esmeralda here, and today we're off for another video. And sa video na ito, I am going to show you how to do DIY geometric room decor. So if you're interested, and by the way, if you're new here in my channel, make sure first to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to keep you updated. If you're ready, let's go now into the video. So let us start. Take up your white bond paper, your skewers. Of course, your paints, because we will paint them black. After painting all your skewers, let it dry, and we are now ready to measure. After it, you are ready to cut those skewers. I've cut 4 pieces of 5 inches skewers, and then the regular size of the skewer, also 4 pieces. Now let us glue them on. So I will use the 4 5 inches skewers. I will attach them with the use of glue stick to form a square. And now for the regular skewers, let us attach them to the 4 corners of the squares. Glue gun, and we will have final touches with the use of paint. Let's go to the next project. So I will measure to 5 inches with this skewer. So in a 1 skewer, I can make 2 5 inches. So for this project, we will be needing 10 5 inches in length of skewers, 5 pieces of 3 inches skewers. So I will glue them all together with the use of a glue gun to form a pentagon shape. So a pentagon has 5 sides. Always secure your skewers with the glue gun to have a stabilization and to ensure its sturdiness. I'm just painting the missing parts and for final touches. We are done with our project, and let's go now to the reveal. That's all for my video today. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you give this a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below your suggestions on what videos should I make, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye, lovies!